Welcome to English Up, the podcast that helps you improve your English and your life.
I'm Alex, and I'm excited to tackle today's topic, something we all struggle with.
And I'm Chloe. Today we're talking about something important for your mental well-being, how to stop caring what others think of you.
Okay, Chloe, let's be real. Why do we care what other people think? It seems so ingrained in us.
It is. It goes way back to our survival instincts. Humans are social creatures. Being accepted by the group meant safety, resources, and a better chance of survival. Rejection could mean isolation and danger.
So it's like a primal fear?
Exactly. This need for approval is deeply rooted. Plus, in modern society, we're constantly bombarded with messages about how we should look, act, and what we should achieve. Social media amplifies this.
True. We're constantly comparing ourselves to others' curated online personas. It's easy to fall into the trap of seeking validation from likes and comments.
And let's not forget upbringing. The way we were raised, the feedback we received from family and friends, all shape our self-perception and our sensitivity to others' opinions. If we constantly heard criticism, it's harder to develop a strong sense of self-worth.
So it's a combination of biology, social pressures, and personal history that makes us so concerned about what others think?
Precisely.
Now, before we move on, let's check some of the key vocabulary we used in that section. Chloe, what words would you highlight?
Okay. 1. Ingrained, an adjective. Deeply rooted, firmly established. For example, the need for approval is ingrained in human nature. 2. Primal, an adjective. Relating to an early stage in evolutionary development, basic and fundamental. Like in, he has a primal instinct to run away. 3. Bombarded, a verb, to attack continuously with something. For instance, the media bombarded the audience with so much bad news. 4. Validation, a noun. Recognition or affirmation that a person or their feelings or opinions are valid or worthwhile. To demonstrate, I need some validation from my girlfriend.
All right, so we know why we care, but how do we break free from this?
The first step is self-awareness. Recognize when you're seeking approval or letting someone's opinion get to you. Ask yourself why it bothers you.
Good point. Understanding the root of your concern is key. What else?
Challenge negative thoughts. Often we assume the worst about what others think. Question those assumptions. Are they really true?
I like that. Actively dispute those thoughts and focus on your values. What's important to you? When you're living in alignment with your values, external opinions matter less.
Absolutely. Set boundaries. You don't have to explain yourself to everyone or justify your choices. It's okay to say, this is what I'm doing, and I'm happy with it.
That's empowering and build your self-esteem from within. Focus on your strengths, your accomplishments, and the things you like about yourself. Don't rely on external validation.
Exactly. Celebrate your wins, no matter how small. And finally, remember that you can't please everyone. It's impossible. So focus on pleasing yourself and being true to yourself.
And when you do take feedback from others, remember if you're taking it from someone you love and trust and respect, the feedback is valuable, but it shouldn't define you.
Okay, Alex, let's give everyone the Cliff Notes version.
You got it. 1. Opinions matter because of our evolution. 2. Recognize when you are seeking approval. 3. Challenge negative thoughts. 4. Focus on your values. 5. Set boundaries. 6. Build your self-esteem from within. 7. Remember you can't please everyone. 8. Take the feedback from trustworthy sources.
Thanks for tuning in to English Up. We hope this episode gave you some tools to build your confidence and stop caring so much about what others think.
Remember, you are awesome just as you are. Be true to yourself, and we'll see you in the next episode.